Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see my review on the brand new Tarte Claymate face palette. This is the packaging. This I got from Ulta just the other day. It's a new release, and this little guy was only $19 for a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer. Excuse me, that's a heck of a steal, a heck of a deal, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna review it for you guys because I haven't seen anybody else review it, so, or at least when I Google it, I haven't seen nobody review it, so I thought, you know what? Let me review it. If you guys are wondering what is on my eyes, I am actually wearing the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered, which came in the Ipsy Glam Bag X for February 2021. I did a little look for you guys so it can inspire you to use this if you were, you know, trying to think of looks and whatnot and to see how this formula works. And let me just tell you, just wait for it. This is a great palette. You're gonna see just how easy it is to create looks. Also, I'm in the process of filming a wear test. I am trying out the brand new Morphe foundation. The new Morphe foundation, the Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. Let me just tell you, I've had this on now for 3 hours and it's still looking really good. And this was the perfect match to me that I was like shocked. And I'm also wearing the brand new lashes from Noella Lashes in the style Blair. Gorgeous. Finito. Also, she has Mila and Fallon here, which are also brand new styles that are about to launch. So excited for her. So happy for her. I will have it linked below. I will also have this link down below if you're interested in buying it, if this review goes well. I also reviewed the new Ofra liquid blushes. There's 3 of them. I have been busy today with reviews and I've been loving every minute of it. Anyways, so if you are into these types of videos from me, because I have been doing a lot more makeup reviews, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. I will have all my recent ones linked below. Go check them out. Lots of new releases. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button because you know what? I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video right now, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you what this packaging looks like. So this is the outer packaging, and as you can tell, you get so much product for $19. So this is the cute little like design that they got going on, and then this is the inside with the blush, the bronzer, and the highlighter. The shade names are Light of My Life for the highlighter. The blush is Got Me Blushin', and the bronzer is Soulmate. So let's go ahead and give you guys some swatches on the back of my hand first, and then we will go ahead and do the little like the thing. Oh, and this is supposed to smell like vanilla. And it definitely does. It smells just like all their other palettes, but it really does smell like vanilla. It smells really good. Makes me hungry for a cupcake. Okay, so let me go ahead and swatch the highlighter first. We're just gonna do one swoop, and that's just one swipe. Pretty. Okay, let's build it up. And this would be a really pretty color for like an inner corner highlight, a lid color, you know, whatever. Now for the blush. That's just the very first swatch, so it's a little chunky. Sorry, okay. Beautiful blush. Beautiful, beautiful. If this performs really, really well, I would probably tell you guys to go get this because, again, for $19 for like your 3 steps of makeup that you do, that's a steal. Plus, Tarte has amazing blushes and bronzers and highlighters, so hopefully these are like the same formula, which I think they are because they definitely feel pretty freaking good. I feel like the bronzer might be a little too warm tone for me, but we'll see. We'll go really light-handed just to make sure. So starting out with bronzer, I'm just going to take this Alamar brush because I haven't used this one yet. So I just want to see what this is going to look like with like a brush that's actually pretty fresh. Okay. I thought this was going to be like really, really pigmented, so I really wanted to tap all that off, but it's not that pigmented, which is great because, oh, I do not like a bronzer that's so pigmented right away because you can get so out of control with your bronzer and then ruin everything, and then like the day's ruined, then you have to start over, that kind of thing. So this one's definitely buildable and it's beautiful. and the smell is so good. I'm having such a good day with reviewing products. Like, everything that I've reviewed so far has just been such great products. So like, I'm having a really good day. We haven't had any duds. Okay, bronzer on that cheek is complete. We try to hide the double chin as much as we can. Okay, so I went a little heavy on the nose contour. Whoopsie daisy. We'll pretend that's dirt. You've got dirt on your nose. Name that movie. If I even quoted that correctly, but whatever. Oh no, I can't believe I messed. Okay, we'll come back to the nose because I really messed that up. I've been messing it up lately. I don't understand. And my child is behind me. And we're just putting bronzer below the lip and kind of underneath it because it gives that shadow effect like you have bigger lips, and my lips aren't that big, so I'm gonna take some of my Tarte concealer and try and fix this nose because I have darkened it up on accident. There's my child again. Let's try the nose contour again. I'm just going to use an angled eyeshadow brush. Okay, that's better. It's better than it was. Now for the blush, I actually just got this blush brush from Ofra, the Pro 22, and it actually looks like it would be a really cute blush brush and really like blend. It came free with my purchase of these Ofra liquid blushes, so I'm going to use this. And again, I'm scared of it being really pigmented, so I'm going to really knock off the powder and then go in with it really lightly just in case, and then build it up if I need to. Okay, so yes, it's very, very pigmented, so definitely when you apply it to the brush, knock it out. And be careful. Beautiful color though. Absolutely beautiful. So now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill highlighter brush in JO2 and apply the highlighter. It's very powdery. All of these products are very powdery. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Nose highlight. I love to highlight my nose. Some spaghetti grease down here. Because you know, you're sipping up the noodles and it slaps you in the chin. That's what it is. Spaghetti grease. I've been saying this for years. You've been watching my videos since like 2017. I always say spaghetti grease. Okay, so that is everything, but I'm missing lipstick, so I'm gonna put some lipstick on really quick and then give you my thoughts and opinions on this little cheek palette. Okay, so I just applied my little mini lipstick in Rum Peach from Tarte. Love this little lipstick. So let me give you my final thoughts on this palette. Oh my goodness, you guys. I just have to say, I was not expecting this to be so good because I was like, for $19, I have a feeling it's not going to be good quality. It's probably going to suck. I mean, like, let's be for real. You got a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer, and you get a good bit of product. There's no way for $19, considering like one blush is like 30 bucks or something like that. But same with like the bronzer, but no, you guys. These are really good. I mean, look at this highlighter. It's so good. Like, I 100% hit the link down below and go purchase this. I don't think it would be great for like, you know, dark, medium skin tones and then up. I say probably the light to close to medium because these are kind of light colors. I don't think it would really work for like the like middle end of the medium range and then on all the way to, you know, the dark skin tones. But if you're, you know, in the fair, light, and half medium, I would say this would be a really, really good palette for you guys. And it's so quick. It's all literally right here and it goes so well together. Honestly, these colors, like the blush, looks so beautiful for this coming up spring and summer. Like, I love it. It's absolutely amazing. And I did not expect to love everything that I've tried today. And it's putting me in such a good mood because usually I'll try something and it's not like the best. There's a little bit of a problem with it. But I haven't had a problem with anything that I've tried today. Even this foundation looks great. So like, I'm just having the best day ever. So I highly, highly, highly recommend this. And if you are looking for a new highlighter, a new blush, or a new bronzer, I say get this one because you get it all for $19. It's Tarte and it smells good and it actually works really well. It's a little powdery, but I mean, like, a little powdery just means it's, you know, pigmented or whatever they say. But this is great. It's a steal for $19. Highly, highly recommend. Go get it. Link below. So yeah, I guess that's everything. I'm just in a great mood. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.